Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari and today in the lesson political parties we will discuss the topic need for political parties. So student, it is very important topic in the political science and mostly in the exam the 3 mark question has been seen. So we will see the situation when the political parties are not there and why the political parties are very important. So in the first we will pay attention on some sentences. Political parties are indispensable to the working of modern democratic government. Means they are very important in the working of democratic government, and without them we cannot imagine a good successful democratic government. Second things, their wide range of the function also justify their necessity. Means we have seen in the present world and many of the countries in the world, like in our country India, where we have seen day to day the formation of new political parties has been seen. It means this is a testimony of the, you will say, necessities of the party, and it is justified also. It second and next one is, instead of the discussing the necessity or need of political parties, means if we see the situations when there are no any political parties and we have no any attentions over the discussions of the necessity and need of the political parties. If we imagine this situation, so we can better understand the necessities or the need of the political parties. So student, let's we see the situations when the political parties are not imagined in the existence, and what are their new possibilities has been seen. So student, let's say we see some of the, will say, circumstances when the political parties are not there. If all candidates contest the election as a independent one, means if there are no any political parties in the country or any country, and all the candidates they are not contesting the election under the canopy of big or the large scale political parties, or there is no any party. So what condition can be appear? Temporary promises only. Means when the candidate who is contesting the elections in the country, so he will not maintain his level of promise among the people. It means he can given the he has given the promises to kept his tongue to fulfill the need and fulfill the work of the people of the country, but on the next day he can change his motives, he can change his objective also, and on the next day he will not remain over his promises. So this situation has been seen in the absence of political parties. This is very important, I will say, circumstances. Second thing is that absence of political parties, no binding force and no check on the individual who come in power. Means the situation is there, if there are not any kind of the political parties in the country, so there will be not any kind of the force and which can bind them all together, and which also not will say force them to check of their work if they come in the power. Means no one cannot force them, no one cannot maintain the kind of campaign or the program, or no one cannot force them to make the policies or the program for the country's development. It means all type of the scenario there, the condition will be seen as a hustle and bustle. Means all type of the areas where the political parties absence will present that the countries have not any kind of the fixed agenda, and this agenda can be changed day to day in the country. Next situations, absence of the political parties, people will have no idea whatsoever regarding government. Means the political parties, if it is not in the countries, means what condition can be appear, that people have not any idea about the government regarding the matter of government. Means the same situation can be appear there, who will wear the cat. Means who will start the policies, who will start the function, who will execute the law, who will implement the law, who will form the laws. Many of the situations can be appear in the absence of political parties, and that is very important issue in the country, in the absence of political parties. So student, I think you are getting well all these kind of the circumstances. Next one, what conditions can be you'll say maintain if the political parties are available in the country. Means political parties work as a panel means a kind of you'll say group or the collective groups which have the kind of responsibility or the accountability. If the group is available in the country in the form of political parties, so they just form their ideology, and ideology means a kind of the memorandum, kind of the program or the planning or the kind of series of the promises in favor of the countries, and the people of the country also have the faith among the political parties. So this is a very important condition also. Next one, large scale society means there is a big societies. Even in India there is a diverse societies, and diverse societies cannot live without the political parties. What can be the benefit in the large scale society if the political parties are available? Need political parties means they will work as a representative democracy. Means they just form the kind of groups which have the kind of responsibilities. And why there is responsibilities? Because they just come in the power through the election, contesting of the elections, and elections which remain them in the power only for the 5 years, and it is the kind of possibilities of the responsibilities which can be appear only in the condition if the political parties are there. So student, these are the condition, and let's we see some we'll say condition can be appear after this the short discussion about the needs of the political parties. Let's we see. So listen this condition. On the basis of above discussion, we can say that parties are necessary condition for a democracy. As a Lord Bryce maintains, parties are inevitable. No free large country has been without them. None has shown how representative government could be worked without them. And second definition has been given by the Locke, says without political parties a modern democratic state would become a brawling chaos of individual opinion. It means the increasing number of the political parties in the last few decades in the most of the countries of the world is a testimony to their increasing importance. That is very, will say, important things to understand. Means why the countries, peoples and their citizens are accepting the political parties, why the demand of the political parties has been increased day by day. There was a time when there was a few countries of the world that had any political parties. Now there are few that do not have parties. This explains the need and necessity of the political parties. Hope all the students getting well. Thank you.